Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is June 12, 2021, and I'm going to discuss gold and silver. Let's start with gold. On a weekly basis, gold closed at $1,877, losing 0.7%. For the past week, gold continued to trade within rising channel formation. However, towards the end of the week, the precious metal started to demonstrate some signs of weakness. The lower band of the formation was tested 6 times and held every time. Nevertheless, towards the end of the week, the number of hits became quite congested. Within 2 days, the major support trend line was tested 3 times. Such price action suggests that gold is likely to break the key trend line and sell off towards $1,835, $1,845 level. Last week, I suggested that the ideal scenario for gold would be to sell off towards the previous 9-month resistance, which should now act as a support. I still favor this scenario because gold needs to build a proper foundation before advancing higher. As they say, the bigger the base, the higher in the space. I don't rule out a deeper correction in gold towards $1,800 mark, but believe that $1,835, $1,845 range presents a reasonable support. Standing target of $1,950, $1,975 level unchanged. The idea of gold rising higher due to recent inflation statistics has become too obvious, and I assume many leveraged buys were triggered above $1,900 level. Surely, rising inflation will push gold higher over the coming weeks and months, but it doesn't mean that gold will be immediately reacting to such news and rising every day. Furthermore, Federal Reserve is meeting next week on June 16. Therefore, I expect the market to remain choppy and nervous till then. Let's have a quick look at the silver. In a big picture, silver continued to trade under a 2-month support trend line, which it broke on June 3rd. During this week, silver made one more attempt to overcome resistance, but failed. As you can see, previous support after being broken is acting as a resistance. Let's zoom in. Over the past 3 weeks, silver has been trading as well within contracting triangle formation. Generally, triangle formations are continuation patterns. I favor the scenario when silver pulls back one more time towards dashed support area under $27.50 level before advancing higher towards immediate target of $32.50, which would represent over 17% gain. This is it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content on this channel, and note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes. Have a nice weekend.